In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track changes in shared files. Whether you're working on documents collaboratively or simply need to keep a clear record of multiple versions, tracking changes can be immensely helpful. So let's dive right in and make this process straightforward and manageable. To start, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to Google Drive. Open up your preferred browser and navigate to the Google Drive website. If you aren't already logged into your Google account, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your Google Drive home screen, where all your files are stored. Next, you'll want to locate and open the folder where your shared documents reside. In your Drive, you should see a folder labeled Docs, or however you've organized your documents. Click on this folder to open it. This should bring you to a listing of all the documents you've shared or have access to. Now it's time to open a specific document that you wish to track changes in. Go ahead and double-click on the document, and it will open up in Google Docs. With the document open, you're ready to access the version history. To do this, locate the File button in the menu bar at the top left of your screen. Click on File, and a drop-down menu will appear. In this drop-down menu, look for an option titled Version History. Clicking on this will open up another menu from which you then click on See Version History. Here, you'll get a detailed view of all past edits and the individuals who made those changes. This is especially useful when you need to trace back through the document's development or recover an earlier version. Once in the version history, you'll see the different versions listed along the right-hand side of the screen. You can click on each one to see how the document looked at that point in time. Now, if you'd like to name a current version for clarity or reference, you can simply click on the Name Current Version option. This way, you can easily identify and return to specific iterations whenever needed. If you need to make any notes or restore a particular version, click on the appropriate version, then choose Restore this version. This action will revert the document to the state it was in at that particular time. But don't worry. You can always move back to the original or another version if you change your mind. Lastly, don't forget to save your changes. Click on Save after naming versions or before closing any restored version to ensure all your work remains intact. By following these steps, you can effectively monitor and manage changes in your shared documents, providing a seamless collaborative environment. Thank you for tuning in.